feeling the weight of stress, the constant hum of anxiety. Yoga offers a powerful pathway to inner peace. In the next 3 minutes, we'll explore how this ancient practice can transform your mind and body, helping you find lasting relief from the pressures of modern life. Yoga isn't just about bending and stretching. It's a holistic practice that deeply connects your mind and body. By intentionally moving your body and focusing on your breath, you tap into your natural ability to find calm amidst the chaos. Let's understand how yoga becomes your ally in the fight against stress. Visuals: person in a comfortable, meditative posture, tranquil setting. Physically, yoga helps to release the tension that stress often manifests in our bodies. Through gentle stretching and sustained postures, you alleviate muscle tightness, particularly in areas like the neck, shoulders, and back. The mindful movement and focus on breath also help to regulate your nervous system, often leading to a decrease in heart rate and blood pressure, and direct physical responses to stress. Beyond the physical, yoga profoundly impacts your mental and emotional well-being. The emphasis on present moment awareness during practice helps to quiet the constant stream of thoughts and worries that fuel stress. Specific breathing techniques, or pranayama, directly calm the nervous system, reducing feelings of anxiety and promoting a sense of inner peace. Regular practice cultivates a greater resilience to stress and enhances your ability to navigate challenges with a more balanced perspective. The beauty of yoga is that even small doses can make a big difference. Whether it's a few mindful breaths in the morning, a gentle stretch during a work break, or a longer dedicated practice, incorporating yoga into your daily life provides you with accessible tools to manage stress. Start small, be consistent, and discover the profound calm that awaits you.